In today's world, we're becoming more and more aware about waste, and it's our responsibility to reduce it. As an aerospace manufacturing engineer, I work with our suppliers to make sure the bespoke parts that they supply to us conform to the high standards in the aerospace industry. Every now and then, some of the parts come out non-conforming. That means they have defects in it, they sit in the room gathering dust and cost our suppliers and ourselves a lot of money. In order to reduce the cost of non-conformings, I work very closely with our suppliers globally in order to improve the processes and create the next generation of high technical specs parts in the aerospace industry. I always go onto the shop floor and work very closely with the operators to understand what's going on in the machine and in the parts in order to solve the problem. Manufacturing engineering has this traditional stereotype of working in a dark and dirty factory. In reality, it is the complete opposite of that. Engineers like us use data and sensors to drive innovation in the manufacturing capability. We're entering the fourth industrial revolution right now. Let's break the stereotype and open up engineering to everyone.